Right, now for some quick landscaping. ArchiCad makes it pretty easy to work with landscaping, though in a future show we'll get into all the further details you can do to customize the landscape even further. The simplest way is to use the Mesh tool. Click the Settings button, type -100 into the current story to lower it slightly below the building base, click OK. Choose the rectangular geometry method, and draw a box around the building. Now to simply create a hole in the mesh for the building to sit in, select the mesh with a shift click, move the cursor over the exterior edge of the building, hold the spacebar for the magic wand to come up, click and a window pops up. Select the Create a Hole and OK. Go to the 3D window to see the whole thing. Now if you want to add some vegetation, choose the Object tool. Open the settings, and from the drop-down menu, select Find Library Parts. Search for, say, trees. And choose the deciduous tree 0113. I'm going to edit the settings a bit. And click OK. Now place it anywhere you want. If you want to add more copies of it, select the tree, click on one of the edges, and either option click to copy it, or go to Edit, Move, drag a copy. Now select one of the edges again, choose the Multiply button, type 3 in the number of copies, choose Distribute in the options, and click OK. Click anywhere in the floor plan window and drag a few copies of the tree. Click again, and we're done. In one of the next shows, we'll export this model into Atlantis to render some photorealistic views. I guess that's enough for now. I hope you found the workflow useful. I'll let you absorb all of this before we go on to more advanced stuff. In the future, I'll be doing some shows that are more focused on the individual elements and ArchiCAD design concepts. Till then, tune in to the next show where I introduce Advent Atlantis, the fastest standalone 3D rendering program for Mac and PC. As a final note, I'd like to thank everyone again for all your great emails and comments about the show, especially those on iTunes. They really help to promote the show, and of course they look great on the page. Keep them coming, and I promise I will too. If you need any other help in between, I'd be happy to provide some. Just email me at archicadmonkey@gmail.com or from the Contact Me section on the archicadmonkey.com website. See you next time.